All right, Mr. Love here, and I want to take a moment to take you through the Comparing U.S. Government to Other World Governments lesson. First off, you'll have your introductory video, which hopefully you're watching and learning about what you need to do. Our learning target says, I can compare the United States system of government within the framework of the federal and state structures, as well as in how they relate to other governmental systems of other nations. So, right here, you'll have your very first assignment, the types of government note catcher. You click on that. You will download this and open it up. So here it is. All right, so what you'll do is you'll go through and you'll have to do a little bit of research on your own. All right. And you'll tell me the definition of a democracy. So demos is the Latin root meaning people, and then the end root there mean rules. So democracy is the idea that the people rule through voting and representation. All right, that's just kind of a basic working definition. So what country has this type of government? The US of A. And then how do rights compare to citizens of the United States? For this one, it's not applicable because you're comparing the exact same thing. All right, but then go through and find a definition for the word republic, dictator, totalitarian, monarchy, the type of country that has this government, and then how do their rights compare? So in a dictatorship, people have much less freedom, especially when it comes to speech, press, etc. All right, and you know that would be an example, might be like North Korea or something like that. You might want to use North Korea for totalitarian, but either one. All right, so you'll fill that out and you will submit that via Dropbox. Again, that's going to require you to do your own research. So let me close out of this. All right, next, using the attached reading, answer the following questions with your classmates. So what you'll do is you'll click on this types of government reading. And here it is. It talks about who rules, all right, who is in charge. So you will read about that, and a lot of these definitions right here, oligarchy, theocracy, anarchy, are there for you. You can use this document. You have to, use this document to complete the other one. All right. So there you go. You read through that, and then do your discussion with those two questions there. So you want to answer which do you believe is the most effective type of government, and why do countries choose different types of government, okay? So those are your questions that you're answering in this discussion. You have an expert video here, and I will go through and make sure that that's working for you, but all you have to do is click on that. All right, and then here is a bigger assignment that you need to get done. So you and your classmates have crashed on an island, food, water, and shelter are in short supply. In order to avoid chaos of anarchy, one of your terms there, you've got to come up with the type of government. So you'll do this probably as an individual assignment, description of the type of government that you've chosen, a list of new laws, new rules that your government's come up with, at least 5, please. Any penalties for violation of these, and if you were not in a group and had the ability to form your own government, would it be the same? Don't worry about that one. All right, and so you'll finish these out, create some sort of visual presentation with all this information, a PowerPoint or Prezi, and submit it via Dropbox. Again, do this individually. I will hopefully have gone through and reworded that for you, but do this individually. Submit either PowerPoint or Prezi via Dropbox to get that done and be good to go. All right, so if there are any questions about this lesson, please let me know.